Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. This is the worksheet number 1 and taken from unit 1 food, lesson number 1 nutrition in plants. Part A is differentiate between following terms. To solve the worksheets of lesson 1, firstly I will give you the brief introduction of whole lesson. The chapter starts from modes of plant nutrition. What does mean by plant mode of nutrition? Mode of nutrition means the mechanism by which organisms obtain their food are referred as the modes of nutrition. In the same way, the way in which plant obtain their food will be known as mode of plant nutrition. There are two types of nutrition in plants. One is the autotrophic and the second is the heterotrophic. Auto means self and trophic means food. The organisms which synthesize their own food are called autotrophs and their mode of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. All green plants and cyanobacteria are actually autotrophs. And the second mode of nutrition in plant is heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means different and trophic again means food. The organisms that obtain their food from other organisms are called heterotrophs, and this process of obtaining food is called heterotrophic nutrition. There are four further types of heterotrophic plants. The first type is parasitic plants. These plants get their food from another green plant known as host, and the parasitic plant will cause harm to the host. The examples of parasitic plants are Cuscuta, dodder, and Orobench boom rapes in common language. The second type is a saprophytic plant. Saprophytic plants are those plants that get their nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter. They are usually white in color, although they can have bright, colorful flowers. The common examples of saprophytic plants are rhizops, bread mold, yeast, a very known type of fungi, and agaricus mushrooms that we used to eat. The third type of heterotrophic nutrition is symbiotic plants. These plants are actually live in association. There are certain plants that grow on other plants and share their food material. None of the plants are harmed from this association. Such plants are called symbiotic plants. Their examples are lichen and mycorrhiza. Lichen is the association between a fungi and an algae. Algae prepare food and provide it to the fungi. In return, fungi provide minerals, protection, and shelter to the algae. The mycorrhiza is the association between a fungus and the roots of some green plants. Myco actually means fungus. The green plants provide food to fungi, and fungi in return provides minerals and other essential components to the roots of the plants. The fourth type of heterotrophic plants are insectivorous plants. There are some plants that feed on insects that are trapped in their leaves. The soil where they grow does not have enough nutrients, so for and they are actually deficient in nitrogen. Therefore, they obtain their nutrients from the insect's body. Therefore, they are called insectivorous plant or carnivorous plants. Their examples of insectivorous plants are Venus flytrap and pitcher plant, and also the sundew. The leaves of the Venus flytrap have bristles on their end. When an insect fallen on them, they trap it and digest it. In the same way, pitcher plant has leaves in the pitcher shape, and when an insect fallen in that pitcher, it can't come out. In the same way, sundew also hunt on insects. After understanding this, now you can easily solve the difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition, and parasitic nutrition and saprophytic nutrition. And its part B is define photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is actually the process by which plants uses the solar energy and prepare their own food. You can write this answer here. And part C is write the conditions required for the photosynthesis. Plants needs water from the soil, light from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and there is a green pigment called chlorophyll present in their leaf. They utilize this material and prepare their food called glucose and oxygen that they release in the air. Part D is complete the reaction of photosynthesis. uh, Carbon dioxide and water is written here. You have to write the sunlight, chlorophyll, and the end products, glucose and oxygen. Thank you.